Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact path through the firewall and removing drywall only where needed. Once you've marked entry and exit, drill a small pilot hole to verify clear space. Make sure to use a bit one size smaller than your final hole. You will cut a neat opening at the chosen point, preserving fireblock material around it. Wear eye and respiratory protection and keep a flashlight handy so you can inspect cavity obstructions before enlarging the hole. Once the pilot hole is verified, enlarge to accept a conduit sized for the cable and expected future runs. You want some slack. Install an intumescent sleeve or fire stop collar at the wall penetration so the integrity of the firewall remains intact. Thread fish tape through the conduit, attach the cable with a secure pull tab, and pull steadily. Make sure to keep the cable untwisted and avoid sharp bends. If you feel resistance, stop and inspect rather than forcing the cable. You finish by sealing the gap with approved fire-rated sealant and confirming the intumescent collar sits flush. This restores the firewall rating. Make sure to leave a small service loop and secure the cable with non-compressing clamps so strain relief is maintained. Test the wire for continuity and proper insulation values before closing the access. If the pull fails or you detect damage, stop, remove the cable, and either reroute, use a cable lubricant, or open the wall for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.